Hello everyone, this is Roianne.Buystedt and I'm here in Junction City at Guaranty RV, here to show you this 2020 Winnebago Navion 24D. This is only 24 feet long and it's their Murphy bed unit. This has the standard storage in the basement. This is a diesel unit on a Sprinter chassis. Come on inside and I'll show you the inside. This unit has a really nice feel to it. It's very light and open, so on those dreary days like today, you still have a sense that it's really bright in here. This unit right here is your bed and your couch. The legs right here fold open, and this whole unit folds down to cover the bed, or sorry, to cover the couch to become the bed. This is also a bed. And these two flip up and you can turn the table sideways to have additional seating and table room. You do have an extra sleeping area above here, just in all the Class C's. And these two are booster seats for your two chairs that turn around right here for additional seating. All the cabinetry in here is push button opening. It's locked. When it's closed like this, you push it open and lift on all of these right here. This is your TV for your main living area, and you do get a TV on the outside as well. This is your rear bathroom unit, and it's got a really nice size shower in it for a unit so small. One of the unusual features in this unit is that it has a gas as well as an induction cooktop, so you have the option to use either or. And then of course you get your RV fridge right here. If you have any questions about this diesel unit or any others here on the lot, please give me a call. My phone number is 541-636-7862. Thank you.